The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are
Morning,
in listen-only mode.
Guys, very good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. Thank you, Deepak. Dennis, you as well. Thank you. Good morning, guys. Very good morning. Fellas, as you can see, I ran the bots this morning. Good morning, James. I ran the bots this morning. The trend bot is current on the 1 minute that I'm running, is currently up 2660. And the original bot is up 1,040. Yesterday, the original was up 1,000 even. And I want to say the trend bot was up right around 2,500. I forget. But in any event, both bots are green this morning. They are currently off. And I will probably wait now until the market open to turn them back on. When do I run the bots, guys? Can somebody tell me when I run the bots? I'm being asked a question by one of the members. Can somebody tell me what time I run the bots? Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Raymond. 7 to 8. Thank you, Rod. 7 to 8. We've talked about this, guys, in education. I said it yesterday, even in the room. Deepak is the one that identified that 7 to 8:15. No, I don't. Here is the original bot. It comes on at 7 o'clock. Here is the first trade, short. Second trade, long. 2 trades, 2 winners. And then if you look at the trend bot, here is 7 o'clock. Short. And a big long. That's a big long. It hit targets. So, I mean, it could have been bigger if I'd have left the targets off, but 7 to 8, guys. Deepak says 8:15. And then another short here. Small winner. I'm using generically on the trend bot 50 ticks. No, I'm using generically 50 ticks. Yeah. So for those of you guys that have taken the order flow class, I then use, I move that generic target up or down depending on what I've taught, the order flow guys, how to identify targets, areas of support or resistance, etc. But generically 50 ticks. In any event, we're green. I mean, for most, I would think for most, anybody that was up $2,660 or 1,040 on the original, you may elect not even to run bots the rest of the day. I don't know. I'll surely run them. In any event, guys, good morning. I don't think we have any news today. I'm pretty sure we do not. Consumer confidence, I guess, at 10 o'clock. Nothing. Guess we have Philly Fed at 8:30 and retail Redbook retail sales, which I don't care a bit about. 1:30 we have Michelle Bowman speaking. There is no major news that I have seen this week. Tomorrow, preliminary durable goods, but nothing. Thursday, Micron reports after the close. Thursday, continuing an initial jobless claim. GDP. It's not a burn one to earn one, but we do have GDP. On Thursday, though, we do have a host of speakers. 9 o'clock, we have Goolsbee and Jerome, Powell speaks. That's at 4 o'clock. 1 o'clock, Lisa Cook speaks. But really, we're really devoid of Nike reports Thursday. Really, PCE, this may be a burn one to earn one on Friday. Morning, Soph. But really, we're devoid of any real economic news this week. Maybe next week. In any event, I will read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts, and we'll get on with it. Naturally, it's not there. Why is this doing this? How about that? There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas, let's take a look at some charts. NASDAQ. I may do that in the future. Redo some of the videos without dates. But if anybody is interested in the next order flow class, let me know. Or if you're interested in the methodology that I employ to scalp, I'm looking to do education Saturday. Send me an email. Traded into some support here at 73. It'll be at 9 o'clock as always, 9 a.m. I'm going to use market replay so you guys can. All right, there's target one. Target one is hit. We're coming into support here, but I may add into this trade on a complete rollover. Got sellers. We just traded into, I'll show you. It's traded into this zone. Ideally, I'd like to get down to 61. Think we can come to 47. Gonna have to break below. Ideally, we catch that swing at 66.50. There it goes. Next candle, you're gonna get another short. The close of this candle. I'm gonna add 2. Let me take that off. If we break below 65, we're going to probably trade 47. All right, we moved volume point of control to 72. Two minutes holding the cloud as well as the 5 minute holding this low volume area. We could bounce back to 79 and fail again. If this 30 range fails, I'm going to be short. I mean, if this 30 range closes and gives me another candle, I'm going to add into the trade. We'll push down to at least 62 and then break down. Come on, give me a new candle. Here we go. I shorted again. Philly Fed coming here in a minute and a half. Excuse me. Target filled. Come on, break below VWAP and go. 47's my target, guys. Need to clear the bottom of the 2 minute cloud. Point of control moved lower. Need to now get below the point of control. Here we go. Come on. Give me that close below the 5. Got some small support there. Yeah. All right, guys. 47. 47. Might make it to 42, but I have 47 support. So let's call it 48.50. Okay, 48.50. Another 10 handles if we can get it. You're welcome, Peter. Come on, 10 more. If we break below 835, we're going to come to 18 if you guys are aggressive. Little bit of support on the 2-minute cloud right about where we stopped at 53. Anybody short holding for 48.5? I don't want to see this above 56. Right? We're getting pretty close to this. Needs to drop. There are no buyers, but just really small sellers. All right, new 5-minute bar. I don't want to go back up and test that point of control. Now some small buyers. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. Could go back to VWAP here. You guys good? We're off, guys. I think you can probably look for a short here right now. I don't know that we're going to get a dump. This is your short area here. I don't think we're going a whole lot higher. 400 buyers, though. There's the fail. Target is 03. Target is 03 if you took the short. Zero three now. There's your 03, fellas. 4/4. 4. Come on, I said 3. All right, 275. Got it. We could put in a small long up above 11 for a scalp. I'm going to try this long. Target's filled. And we're going to break down below 09 again. No imbalances. I'm looking at order flow. No imbalances. Held some weekly support. There's your breakdown again. Candle close. Didn't break. Could get a bit up again to 21. If you have the guts, you can buy SPY calls for a gap fill to 432. All right, here we go. There's a long here. Took the long. Come on. Got to hold here for me. Got buyers. Let me get this on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Two minutes jamming me on the resistance. I'll be out in a second here, guys. This doesn't go on this 2-minute bar. Come on, push right here. 18. Small resistance 18. We push here, we can get to 34. We can get to 34. Push. Come on, dog. Flat. Failed the 2-minute again. Come on. I've got a block buy. It's on top. Let's go. $30.31 is where this should get. Still pushing. Come on, dog. Come on. All right, I'm taking this off here, fellas. About one. I'm flat. I'm flat. I still think it's going to pop. If it gets above 31, it's going to go. Took a couple of bucks. Whoop. Trend bot's on with 3. Forgot to turn that on. Straight to target. Trend bot's up 3,400. There we go. Need the 2-minute to break down. Come on, give me 18. I don't like that we're holding in here. The 2-minute is longs. Trend bot just the original bot just took a long. Chop again. Chop. Just chop. This son of a gun does not want to break down this 2 minute. It's the 2 minute that's slowing us down. 10 minute on the way up, 2 minute on the way down. Come on. There we go. We catch that swing at 21, it gets blasted. All right, there's target 1. Doop-de-doo. Come on, let's go. Nothing. Will not break out of this 2 minute, guys. Trying to get down to 12.13 again. Value area low. And then 98. I'm trying to hold to 98. Let me get that target out of there. All right, you can have it. You can have it. We're going to get a bounce here, I think. We're holding this damn zone again. The 10 minute hourlies are short, 10 minutes are short, 2 minute. Just kind of jerking us around. Come on. Let's target 1. Come on. A little more. Target 2 filled. And I think we can get to 97. Here's a breakdown. $96, $97, holding weekly support. I mean, we're completely devoid of stacked imbalances anywhere. I'm going to try another small long, I think, guys. No. 2 minutes now, flip short. I'll short this at 23 if it moves up to 23. No, 23. I think we come into yesterday's low. We're going to get 97, 98. There it is, 97, 98. We're going to bounce here pretty close. We're at 2,200. Hourlies are going to get foobarred. The 10 o'clock candle, we're day low here. We're trying to bounce. Hourlies are telling me 14,722. 782 now is yesterday's low. Break here at 82, and I think the 10 o'clock candle completely kills this thing. Anybody take YM up near 95? Your stop is 129. Gold, I like long at 25. It's now 25.3. +5. -7 expected. Down from +1 prior. Here comes consumer confidence. Is there any left? It should come in at like 0. New home sales 675, below 698. All right, we're getting a small bounce here. Very small buyers. I'm looking to short this zone up here. Bot short. Just chunking around. Small buyers in here. All right, we're fighting yesterday's low at 82 quarter. 82 quarter. $400 buyers in here. We're going to fail this 82 quarter. I'm going to try this short. Shit. I chickened out. I should have left that on with the stop. It's right back to entry. Trader interference. I just bought some SPY 426 puts. YM came down nicely. SPY is holding up. Another short on the bot. Come on down. We're just choked here, guys. There's target 1. Target 2. There we go. I'm up a whopping 5% on SPY. Come on, break down, dog. Anybody buy SPY puts? I'm now up 18% SPY. Anybody buy SPY puts? Up 20%. 26%. Sold half at 26%. So the balance at flat. All right, guys, we're moving up into that zone. We're still pushing. Come on, get above that. Let's go. Trade up into that zone. A lot of buyers here on the 5-minute. Failed again at yesterday's low, 78.25. Kashkari sees a 60% probability of a soft landing. 60-40. Now they got it. Target filled. I'll still buy one at 17. Anybody take that trade? Okay. Anybody take that? Nobody. Ten-minute resistance now is 39 area. If it pops up into 39, we can sell that. I'll short 39. All right, Gene. It's not even going to get there. Looking to short about 39 and buy 17. Sellers are getting smaller. The last 3-minute bars have been negative deltas of 55.24 and currently 80. Way oversold on 135.15s. Oh, I'm short one. It gave me one. Okay, now I'm short two. $300 buyers in here. Ten-minute getting a nice bounce. 2-minute. Eesh. This has to pull back. Come on. I need this to fall back below 41. Got 400 buyers in here, guys. Momentum to the downside has died. It went through that 10-minute resistance. Looks like the ES could get a pullback to 35 from here. If this dips, if this gives me a new 30 range candle, I'm going to add into the trade. I'm going to add to. I may be adding in give or take where I'm already at, but it's going to fail. I need a new 30 range candle. Come on. Oh, I hit sell market. I missed it. It's coming back to 37. Small sellers. We're about to flip into longs here. Trendbot's long with 3. All right, I'm going to take the loss here, I think, guys. I'm flat. Trendbot's long with 3. We get above 52 and this could rocket. We could see 785, 782 again. This needs to get above 49 and she goes. 49.50. Small sellers in here. For me, it's got to hold this 37 area. If it holds 37, I think this is going to start working up to 60, 65. Buyers, small buyers back in. There goes the trend bot. This is a little bit of resistance here on the 2 minute. Next 2 minute bar is in minute and a half. If it pushes through this 2 minute, this could start to move up to 85. Go $500 on the trend bot. 600. Ton of buyers now. Get $800, $900 here. Oh, 85 is target. $1,000. This would have been a bigger trade, but it's on pause, so it didn't add 3 more contracts. All right, I took it off. We're going to 82. Couple of block buys. You got 1,000 buyers in here, guys. We're down to 2,000 sellers. New 2 minute bar. Dallas Fed Services, but that isn't going to do squat. That's not going to do anything for us either way. Minus 8.6 for September after a minus 2.7 prior. Small sellers in here, they're getting bought. They're getting bought up. They bought them all back. Come on, Dingleberry. You're going to 82. Come on. Give me that 78 quarter. I'm not flinching. You dog. Have buyers, guys. We're down to 2,000 again, below 2,000. We hit 78 quarter. Hit my target, it didn't fill me. Peeve of mine. Hit me at target and did not fill me. Come on, you annoying son of a gun. All right, you win. I don't have the patience. There's 5. Come on, give me the 08. Don't be a dink. 575. Next 10-minute bar. We got a small pivot here. We could get a pullback. We're down to 600 sellers. Got to the top of the zone. We breached it and pulled back. Still think longs. I'm just looking for a pivot on the downside. We could pull back to 72. We're coming back to 72. If this rolls over below the point of control, they could, they're selling them back now, 1,300. We got to 640. We're back up to 1,350 on the delta. I'm not paying any attention to the bots. Another 500 bucks. Got it. Go. Next bar, I'll move this down. Lock in some 3 handles. 2 minutes breaking down. Pretty good. Value area low is 52. That's probably where she's coming. For those of you guys that have been in order flow class and know the scalp trade, you just made your money again. Trying to get to value area low, guys. And it just added contracts, which I did not want. God dang it. Son of a bitch. Did not want that. Still at 3,400. Came back into this zone here. That's a bounce and then nothing. Treasury yields at the high of the morning. This has to hold 2-minute support for me at 65 or I'm done. It should trade to 81, 82 again. There's no momentum in it. We got the last 30 minutes here, 29 minutes of Europe. Come on, push up. Don't be a baby. We're just hanging out at the point of control, guys. That's it. We're just chopping around here at the point of control. We're at 1,400 net sellers. I like the longs. I think they're going to trap these shorts, but it may be after Europe is gone. and we trade back up to 82, maybe 86 or 7 here. Building a wedge. Yeah, I don't want this to break. All right. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I still like longs. I don't particularly like shorts down here. All right, fellas. Trendbot's going to finish up 2160. I prefer the longs. I've got 960 on one account. And then I've got, let's see here, 960 on that account. 920 on that account. 345 across all of my PA accounts. Okay, this is attached to my PAs. So I'm done for the day. I will not be trading anymore today. Once again, if you guys are here on trial from this week, I will see you guys tomorrow. If you folks are here on trial from last week and you're still using the link, you had your you're welcome, Albert. You had your opportunity last week. You elected not to join. That's cool. I do have a couple of trials that are carryover. I know who you two are, so before anybody says anything. But there's a couple of you guys that are logged in. I'm going to cancel your links. I sent you guys emails last week giving you an opportunity to join. You didn't respond. And I am not appreciative